Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. We thank God for life, for strength, and good health as we've stepped into 2024. I pray that this year yields so much blessing in your life wherever you are. And finally, Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video, we will be making a chocolate banana cake with dark chocolate chip topping. Ingredients for the recipe include 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of grated nutmeg, half cup of dark chocolate chips, 3 room temperature eggs, 80 grams of butter, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, 3 cups of soft flour, and 8 large bananas. We will also be using 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 cup of hot boiling water. Let's get started. Into the sieve on top of the mixing bowl, pour in the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, and then sift everything into the mixing bowl underneath the sieve. After that, add onto it the cornstarch. Then with the aid of a grater, grate 1 whole nutmeg into the flour mix. Grab a whisk and then whisk it all together until everything is well incorporated. Peel the bananas off the peels and then place them in a bowl. Use the potato masher to mash it all together and then set it aside. Into another mixing bowl, add in the butter, the oil, and then the sugar. Now use the hand mixer to stir everything together until light and fluffy. Add in the vanilla essence and then mix it together as well. Now pour into it the banana you mashed earlier and then use the hand mixer to combine it with the wet ingredients. Now pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, mix it with the aid of the spatula, and then fetch some into the bowl that contained the mashed bananas. Pour onto it the cocoa powder, use the hand mixer to combine it, and then pour it into the rest of the dry ingredients that you set aside earlier. Add in the buttermilk and then 1 cup of hot boiling water. Now use the spatula to combine everything together nicely. Add in the chocolate chips, pour it into your paper-lined baking tin, and then pop it into the oven. And with that, our chocolate banana cake with the chocolate topping is ready. Use a knife to slice some of the chocolate banana bread and enjoy. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new here and turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. Also, I would like to say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. May God see you through this year and also the year ahead. Try this recipe at home with your friends and family and let me know in the comment section how it was. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.